in the next 2 or 3 years, you're not gonna recognize the destination, because everything is going to a 4 or 5-star level quality, and much more will follow. The Dominican Republic was traditionally known as a 2 and 3-star product with all-inclusive, and is now moving to the American type of standard with you know, a la carte type of operations, and you see more and more the diversification of that product. Well, what you're seeing is a lot of the old properties that used to be a Playa Dorada, they have been upgraded, changed, improved, modernized. You remember, those are properties that started in the 70s and 80s. So that is a welcome change. And what you're seeing now also that you know, people like Casa Marina had just finished the total renovation and refurbishment of their property, and you see many others which are doing that. And you look at the property that we're in right now, which is definitely a 4+ star operation. So that's where the market is going. Regular hotel rooms for the last 10 years are going through a metamorphosis, because the reality, the average stay in the Dominican Republic is 8 days. Okay, well, it's kind of hard to stay for 8 days at a regular hotel room. And people are discerning people travel with couples or with their family. So the villas advent that has taken place, especially in the North Coast and in Punta Cana in some areas, and in Casa de Campo as well, has been phenomenal. And people enjoy that. And it's also a good investment tool, because a lot of the properties are purchased by foreigners. It can be used either as a tool for their residency, which we have a lot of people acquiring Dominican residency. But the other thing is that you can have it in the rental pool, which means income generating property.